So the last part of this is the liquidity events that happened through sales by investors, which is PE and VC funds, after the company got listed. To some guys, lock-in periods apply. To some guys, they don't apply. But essentially, what we are looking over here is the sale that these investors made after the company went public. So in case of Blackbuck, Sands Capital sold stock worth about 191 crores. In case of Medi Assist, if you remember, once upon a time, Bessemer was a majority shareholder in this company. Like they held more than 50% in this company. They sold about 578 crores in this company recently. Paytm, again, Alibaba's entity called Ant Financials was a long-term shareholder in this company. They sold stock worth about 4,000 crores. Sai Life Sciences, which we had covered in the IPO part in our earlier sessions, their TPG Asia sold about 2,600 crores in the post-IPO period. In Swiggy, something interesting happened. BNP Paribas sold a small portion in Swiggy of about 1,160 crores. But at the same time, on the same day, they also bought stock worth about 3,200 crores on Zomato. So interestingly, public market liquidity allows these investors to sell one position and buy another position for whatever reasons it be. Like, we are not experts in telling like which company would perform better or not, but this is something interesting that happens on public markets. And lastly, like IndiGo, like the most loved airline or the largest airline in the country, this has nothing to do with this series, but there is an interesting phenomenon that continues to happen over here is that the promoter family, which is the Gangwal Family Trust, has been continuing to sell their position. They, again, in the last month sold about 2,900 crores worth of stock. Of course, this might be a planned activity that they are doing. We are not privy to any such information. And again, we are reiterating that all the data that we talk about here is just for informational purposes. This comes from public sources. We are not vouching for the absolute 100% rightness of it. And hence, you should take it as a piece of information to decide on or to think about how exit/liquidity happen in this country.